Oh, I didn't do pot water. Oh, this one's good. It's a sensitive topic right now. Hey guys, so it's been a while since I've vlogged. The biggest reason I haven't been able to just like sit down and talk to you guys at home like this is because of that. I think there's like retail stores moving in to our building downstairs. It was supposed to be over in a week, but it's been ongoing for 3 weeks, so. But another big piece of my life that I haven't really been sharing as much as I would like to has been my barista training. Just finished my 9-week course. This was one of my 2024 goals, to learn a new skill and just kind of do something that's like outside of me. If you guys are also in this season of life where you just want kind of like a creative outlet or you want to learn a new skill, I think a good place to start is Skillshare. It's the largest online community of creatives with thousands of classes led by industry professionals across film, illustration, design, painting, even coffee. I've been practicing for my barista test, and Skillshare actually has videos on coffee too, which have been really helpful to not only review, but also kind of dive a little bit deeper into some of the topics. If you like a little bit more structure when you're learning something new, they do have this thing called learning paths. It's basically a curated collection of classes to help you master whatever skill that you're trying to learn. It starts from beginner level and then it takes you to advanced, and it's basically supposed to help you stay motivated by kind of just keeping track of your progress. I tried a few. This one is about editing videos on Final Cut Pro. The one that I found really helpful was the one on color grading. It's something that I've never really tapped into. And thanks to Skillshare, the first 500 people to sign up through my link in the description will get 1 month for free. So definitely sign up ASAP. All of the details will be down below. Bye, kitty cat.
Kitty cat.
Kitty cats. We're back. A lot of favorite. We both have the day off today, so we're gonna do something that we've been putting off for many months, and that is hanging up all of our prints. Both of them?
Yeah.
I forgot we had that. I wish we put this one. This one's really pretty.
You want
I
that
feel like this should be in the living
by
room.
the dining?
Yeah.
This one can go on this wall by itself.
Where? This one?
No, that
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think that's cute.
51-ish center. Why is she crying?
Why is she crying?
Let me see.
Why did she cry? Is her toy stuck somewhere? What's wrong? What's wrong? She's scared. Yeah, that's good.
This high or lower?
Can I hold it and can you look?
Yeah, that's good right there.
This is what we're using to hang up the prints.
Here, push on my hand. Push. 1, 2, 3, push. I'm not leaving. Oh, I caught it.
Oh. I'm painting. I got this calendar from White Elephant. It's the moon calendar. Each month is a different color. This is February.
Push. No, that's good. Here.
Oh, cute. I like it. Is there a keychain in here? Why do you keep crying?
What are you looking at?
You're freaking me out.
It's back there. Sorry, my hair's crazy.
It's a sensitive topic right now.
For you.
We got a huge IKEA delivery recently. I shared some of the pieces. Not pieces. I shared some of the things that we got. The kitchen stuff. Let's build this table. It's from their new collection, I believe. Huh? I'm okay. This is missing an egg. Someone took an egg. This one missing an egg? Nope. Nice. It's the cat's dinner time. I got some new bowls for them, and it comes with this little stand, so it's like this. This is the one we were using before, but it was getting a little small for them, so.
Ooh! Mari sounds like
She's dying. Why does she sound like that?
she sounds like she's on her last legs.
Oh my gosh. Oh, I didn't do pot powder. Maddie.
Munchie.
Dinner tonight made by
Yours.
Mr. June. Ooh, you got that? Maddie Bear, what you doing here? I don't know what you're doing. We finally got some cameras for this apartment so that we can keep an eye on the cats while we're out. Hey, no. It's working. I'm gonna head to the roof soon because the girls are coming over in a bit. Gonna have a little wholesome Saturday. Outfit check. This t-shirt from Ed Damon. Necklace is Edigo. Gray jacket is Milby P. My favorite jeans from Amamento. Nails by Jenny. And this blue pleated bag is from Joseph and Stacy. It looks so good.
She seems like a princess too. Are this really from?
I'm home. Look what I brought. The donuts from Hanseungyeon에. I got peanut butter, Earl Grey, and white sesame. It's not for you.
Oh, wait, sounds good.
I don't really taste the Earl Grey. Oh, this one's good. Oh, wow.
언제? 너는
This one's really good. Are you hungry, baby bear?